Do you have thousands of photos piling up on your smartphone? And have you ever forgotten where you saved a photo of your passport or driver's license? Today, I'm going to introduce a powerful new feature in Google Photos that solves all of that in one go. In this video, I'll cover three things. First, what is the new Ask feature powered by Gemini AI in Google Photos? Second, how to get information from your photos just by asking a question. Third, practical ways to use it for managing important documents like passports, credit cards, and visas. By the end of this video, your Google Photos will be transformed into a personal AI assistant. First, open your Google Photos app. Look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see 4 tabs: Photos, Collections, Create, and on the far right, Ask. That last tab is what we're focusing on today. It was added in a recent update, so you may not have noticed it yet. When you tap Ask, Gemini AI opens and says, "What can I help you with?" Just type your question in plain, natural language. No complicated settings required. Let's try it out. Type this into the search bar. When does my passport expire? And just like that, all the passport photos you've ever taken appear in a list. And at the bottom, you get this answer. Mr. Yamada, your passport expires on October 18, 2028. The AI reads the text right from your photo and gives you the answer. Pretty amazing, right? So how does this actually work? Google Photos automatically analyzes every photo you back up using Gemini AI. Text, locations, faces, dates, the AI understands all of it. So when you ask a question in plain language, it already knows where to look. No tagging, no organizing, no extra steps needed. This feature is especially useful in situations like these. When you need to check if your passport is due for renewal, when you want to confirm your credit card expiry date, when you need to look up your Thai visa or residence certificate deadline. For those of us living abroad, keeping track of document expiry dates is really important. Now, you can just ask your phone and get the answer instantly. And that's not all the Ask feature can do. Try asking, "Show me photos of my family from last year," and it will find them automatically from thousands of pictures. Or show me photos with a dog. That works too. You don't need to remember the date or location. Searching by content is what makes AI so powerful. Just one quick note on privacy. When you open the Ask feature, you'll see a message. Google is committed to protecting your privacy. You can tap Details to read Google's full privacy policy. Your personal data in Google Photos is never used for advertising. Everything stays within your own photo library, so you can use this feature with complete peace of mind. Let's wrap up. With the Ask feature in Google Photos, the AI reads the text in your photos and gives you answers. Checking passport and credit card expiry dates? Just ask. Finding family photos or photos with your dog? Just ask. No complicated setup required. If you haven't tried it yet, open Google Photos right now and look for the Ask tab. How was that? If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back with more useful tips for living in Chiang Mai. See you in the next video.